How to fix Instagram you can't send messages for 3 days easily and fast. All what you have to do, guys, is very simple. First thing, open Instagram app, go to your profile, and then go to the top here, click on those three lines, open the settings, and now click on the help option, click on report a problem, click on report problem without shaking, and now on this page you need to tell them the problem that you have. For example, I'm gonna write here, I can't send messages for 3 days, like this. And here you need to send an image from your gallery for the screenshot of the problem, and then click next. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.